So next looping statement, we have until loop statement. Last class we discussed about while loop statement. While and while followed by syntax. Recap, while loop we discussed test the condition. If condition, one second, I'll make it, it's not visible. While loop we discussed while will test the condition true, control will allowed inside, the block will get executed. Condition failed, loop will not allowed inside. Okay, just the opposite of while loop is until loop. Until loop generally we will use for error handling purpose. Okay, what is the loop operation for until loop operation? You can see this opposite of while loop is until. Now once again recap what we studied in while loop. Opposite in while loop, while and space test operator condition. If condition true, then control will take you. That's the operation. This is true block operation, or we can say code block operation. Code block, looping code block, and then completed. Okay. So while operation is will test the looping, test the condition, or test the loop, test the condition. Condition true, and again the block will execute. Again we'll test the condition. Then condition true, the same repetition. So once condition become to be false, condition is false, then exit from the loop. Loop will get terminate. Exit from the loop. Okay, so this technique opposite is until loop. So the same syntax style, only keyword different. Until space followed by condition, then do followed by code block operation. Done. This is syntax of until. There is no difference, only the keyword is difference. The remaining all the statements, syntax, everything will be same, but the flow will be different. Already written is opposite, so opposite means the same step. Test the condition until loop. Loop will test the condition. Test the condition statement. If condition written will be true means this opposite, exit from the loop. So this behavior. That's right. If condition is false, so test the condition is false, then the same, it will execute the looping, will enter to the loop block, and the block will execute. Again we'll test the condition. Again we'll test the condition, and again if condition true, the loop will get exit. Condition false, then block will get that block will get executed. So this loop is generally we are using for error handling purpose. Error handling. Say for example, I want to check my storage, or I want to check my memory usages. Say for example, this will discuss in coming topic filter. So I want to check my how much my used space of memory. I'll delete this first line. Okay, this is data. Then I'll keep all this data to one array. This is all our upcoming topic. This is array. So total value 0, and I'll put okay, this is all our upcoming session. So variable n followed by, I'm taking list of data and do total value. I'm calculating that memory. So this much MB of data is used to size my system. Okay, so this is all our next topic. Don't worry about this. Only XPR we studied, remaining all it's a new. So now see this, just I want to calculate my total used memory space. The total used memory is this much of size. So I want to test it whenever memory size is above 1000 above. Whenever my used memory size is above 1000, just I want to generate one warning mail to the concerned user. console user. Okay, so how to write? If you use while loop style syntax, above used memory, so in our case total above 1000, this is a condition in while loop syntax. If it is comes, if condition it's true, then we can use mail command, write subject and whom want to send the message, you can send it to the concerned user, that username followed by post, and that is mail command. You can send the data. Then you can put 1 hour for delayed. Sleep command we can put for 1 hour. 3600 second, it will be 1 hour. After 1 hour again loop will test the condition. 1 hour, after 1 hour if any update is there. So see, the logic is whenever the memory size is above 1000 MB it's consumed, then I have to generate this message. If the same logic how to use in while loop, so until loop. In until loop, opposite of testing. So total memory below 1000 if you put, then only that testing will get success. Below 1000, that is until, so you can say test operator of total less than 1000. So the testing is failed. You can check test total value less than 1000, then this condition gets failed. So this is true, above greater than, this condition gets failed. Okay, so this failed means then we should write opposite of this one. If condition true, then loop will not allowed inside. Condition false, the loop will allowed inside. This is until usages. So using while loop only we can do you no need write until. So we can say while of not operator of condition, it's equivalent to until. There's a difference. This is same as until condition. These all is used in our, I'll show you that more usages in our upcoming topic. Understand the syntax and the looping flow. Until followed by condition. Followed by condition. So condition true. Say for example my memory is 1005 and above 1000. Condition true means it will not. Whenever condition will become to be false, then block will get. So in my in this case 1000 less than, this is true, the loop will not allowed. Suppose if I write test, my memory limit is 1002 less than 1000, this is false. So when you say false, then until will allowed, until loop will get allowed. So that's why whatever that our constant input, the opposite is our until loop logic. I'll demonstrate one example. For example, I'll put n value 15 until $n less than 5. So this is false. It means 15 less than 5, like this. This is false. So false means loop will allowed inside. See this value of n, $n, then I'll put decremented expr, because n value decrement 15 minus 1, n value minus 1. So we should use proper space between operand operator. Okay, after complete looping, just I'll create one empty line. After complete looping and check the value of n, $n. So here condition will become to be true, that's why loop will get terminate. Recap the logic. Loop will check the condition true, the block will execute. So condition true, the block will terminate it. Condition false, the block will execute. So first step, test followed by 15 less than 5, and we can check the status code. Condition is false, then loop will allowed. Condition false, loop will allowed. Like this, 5 less than 5, condition false, loop will allowed. Now see this 4 less than 5, condition, it's not success. So it's here condition written will be true. True means the loop will get terminated. So how many times the loop will execute as per this code block? 15 to up to 5 times, because once decremented 4 less than 5 means condition will become to be true. True means loop will get exit. True means loop will get exit. So I put decrement operation. After creating empty line, I'm printing the n value. So in our case 4 less than 5 means condition true, so true means loop will get exit. So concentrate while loop. While of not is until. This until is useful for this kind of error handling purpose. Opposite of your our memory limits and opposite of our testing. We'll use this step. Okay. But same syntax. What we studied in while, the same style, same syntax only. So test the condition. Condition true means exit from the loop. 4 less than 5, condition true, exit from the loop. 15 less than 5, condition false. So false means the block will execute. Again test the condition. In our previous case, I'm checking my system dependent. It's not a user input based condition, system dependent. So base command is system command. This command I used to filter. I calculated total memory using array and all. Then finally we get one single data. So I want to test my memory limits for every 1 hour once. So it will keep on update. So you write everything inside that loop condition. Keep on update. If while loop means above 1000, that is condition dependent. Above 1000. Condition true, the block will execute. So 1001 MB means it will generate memory. It will generate warning message to the user. Your memory usage is 1001 MB of data. Then after 1 hour, memory limit is 900 or 800 means 800 greater than 1000 false. False means loop will not allowed. Okay. So just concentrate. I'll show you this usages more with the detail in filter topic. This will be repeated. Repetition based on your system utilization based. For this kind of error handling, we'll use until. So that's why written here. While of not operator is same as until. In self-scripting looping statement, concentrate while loop, conditional, and for loop in collection. This two loop is enough to fulfill complete requirement. These are the usages. Until is one of the loop, so we can use for it will be useful for this purpose, error handling purpose. Learning point of it's fine, but real implementations we can use until for this kind of error handling, or we can use while of not for error handling purpose. So next class we'll discuss about for loop statement, how to use for loop in conditional, then followed by collection based we'll discuss. Thank you.